Alright guys, going to my supply house to grab some nitrogen. Let me see where you put that nitrogen at. Bring me some nitrogen. I ran out of nitrogen on that service call yesterday. Broke my nitrogen tank yesterday when I was doing that leak search. I broke it, so I got to buy a new regulator. So I just need and some bubble leak. What's going on, man? We are regulators. Y'all got gas regulators or nitrogen tank regulators?
What is that?
For the nitrogen tank, the regulators. Y'all see them? Oh, back there. Y'all got the new kind or just these? These just a regular kind. It's like the nitrogen one. They got the you could purge on.
Oh, we used to have these.
You don't got them no more. How much that one is? What's the regulator? I need that done. Flow. I'll probably buy that online. Start buying my shit online. Alright, so everybody's yard is cut except for this one. Why the fuck I gotta get calls like this, man? You got a big ass dog. What's up? What the fuck is going on, man? Shit. What dog is that? What fucking dog is that, man? Is this your dog? Oh, okay. Where's the outdoor unit?
It's back here. Yeah, we had somebody look at it. They said it's a leak in the. You know, Jackson.
Let's see.
I'll be around the front whenever you're ready.
Alright. What you doing, dog? All right, dog. You want to go to work? Come on. Come on, you want to learn to work? Hey, come back here. You about to do some work. Hold on. Alright, so I got it pumped up to about 350 psi. As you can see on the chart, it's about 350. Yep, 350. the leak from. Getting a small leak. See? All right there. I found it. Right there. All right. Woo! I think my torch is oh shit. Oh, that's why. What's in that? Hold on, let me move this all out. You digging through it. I don't think I'm that. It's the one next to it. Huh?
You said it's in the attic?
Yeah. Huh?
It's small?
Nah. I'll show you what the line is leaking at.
They had a leak.
Yeah, I just found it. Yeah, somebody said it was somewhere, but I couldn't see it until I really look at it. So I touched it. You got a light on you? Oh, that much one. That's right there. I might got a light in my bag. Yeah, I got one in my bag.
It was in the back, right?
Just go all the way around with it. Okay. Just pull your flame up a little bit. Your left side a little bit up.
To the left?
Yeah. Yeah. And then go ahead and put your flame on it first. On the front side. So whatever you soldered before could drag over there too. Just move it back and forth. And when you get your hot, it's your joint hot. Then put your stick on it. Right now, yeah. Alright, so we fixed the leak and we're finna go ahead and pump nitrogen in on it to ensure that we fixed the leak. And then go ahead and do a maintenance on it and then recharge the system. That's pretty much it. Putting these valve stems back in. I'm putting a lot of pressure on it, so it's like a tire. It should be either you shouldn't be feeling no air coming out of it or it bubbling up like I showed you in the video.
Oh, okay, yeah, good.
Yeah, so if it's cooled down, go ahead and put your hands on it and with the bubble, and put your hands all the way around it so it won't make sure it ain't bubbling up like a small leak like how it was. All right, we sealed the leak, and now we are washing the unit down and cleaning it out and cleaning the coils.